Arahang sama sambuddhun bhagawan Buddhang bhagawantang abhiwademi Swakatun bhagavata dhammo dhammang namassami Supatipanno bhagavatu sawaka sangho Sanghang namami
Hadirin dipersilakan duduk.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa Kanti paramang tapun titika Nibbanang paramang wadanti buddha Nahi babajito parupakati Samano hoti parang vivekayanto Sabba papat sahakaranang Kusalan surasampada Akita pariyo dapanang Ekam magdana sasanang Anupavato anupakato Padimoke casangwaro Matanyuta japatasming Pandan casayana sanang Adicite ayoko Etang buddhana sasanang di Most Venerable Mahasangha, Upasakas and Upasikas, on behalf of the Indonesia Theravada Mahasangha or Sangha Theravada Indonesia, it is now time to convert the Dhamma honorary degree to two most venerables who have made significant contributions, especially to the Sangha Theravada Indonesia and also to the Buddha Sasana in Indonesia. Firstly, the Dhamma Honorary Degree for Most Venerable Prakru Sangha Siddhikon Erik Alan Faris Sirik Batu, Thailand, who has assisted the Sangha Theravada Indonesia and Indonesian Buddhists in many ways that are difficult to mention one by one for over 30 years until today. Most Venerable Prakru Sangha Siddhikon also graciously explained the activities of the Sangha Theravada Indonesia to senior monks Prakbuyai in Thailand. All of these explanations were given out of his own goodwill without any request from us. Secondly, the Dhamma Honorary Degree for Most Venerable Senior Professor Kottapitiya Rahula Anunayaka Mahatera. He is the Senior Anunayaka Mahatera of the Kotte Sri Kalyani Samagri Dharma Mahasangha Sabha Sri Lanka. That's the member is 6,000 monks. In academia, Most Venerable Professor is a senior professor at the University of Peradeniya, Kandy, which is the oldest university in Sri Lanka. Following the passing of Most Venerable Belanwela Vimalaratana Mahatera, Most Venerable Professor Anunayaka Mahatera maintains and continues our brotherhood between Kotte Sri Kalyani Samagri Dharma Mahasangha Sabha with the Sangha Theravada Indonesia until today. At the time when Venerable Dr. Santacito Tera completed his doctorate program at the University of Kelaniya, Most Venerable Professor was the head of the postgraduate program at the University of Kelaniya. Most Venerable Professor Anunayaka Mahatera has graciously donated rare and precious holy Buddha relics to our IKN Vihara in the new capital city in East Kalimantan and the Buddha Ratana Vihara in Medan, North Sumatra. The Kotte Sri Kalyani Samagri Dharma Mahasangha Sabha has conferred the Dharma Honorary Degree upon Venerable Dhammasubho Mahatera, Venerable Jotidhammo Mahatera, Venerable Mahadhammadhiro Mahatera, Venerable Sanghanayaka Sri Panyawaro Mahatera, and myself. Now, I request Venerable Dr. Santacito Tera to read the Dhamma Honorary Degree Certificate. First, the certificate for Most Venerable Prakru Sangha Siddhikon Erik Alan Faris Sirik Batu, followed by second, the certificate for Most Venerable Professor Kottapitiya Rahula Anunayaka Mahatera.
Certificate Dharma Honorary Degree, Sangha Theravada Indonesia, continuing the Sangha founded by Sama Sambuddha Gautama 2612 years ago on Asalha full moon, confers the Dharma Honorary Degree Vara Jina Sasana Pavira upon Most Venerable Prakru Sangha Sitikon Eric Alan Faris Siribado Wat Bawaraniwe Vihara Krung Thep, Bangkok, Thailand, in recognition of outstanding contribution to the development of Buddha Sasana in Indonesia. In acknowledgement of this merit, the recipient is hereby entitled to use the honorific title and receive respect. Most Venerable Prakru Sangha Sitikon Vara Jina Sasana Pavira Eric Alan Faris Siribado. The Dharma Honorary Degree is bestowed pursuant of the Sangha Karakasabha, Sangha Executive Board of Sangha Theravada Indonesia, number 01/Rapim, Roman numeral 3/numeral 11/2024, dated November 23, 2024. Jakarta, March 16, 2025, 2568 Buddhist era. Head of Sangha, Sangha Pamukha, Dhamma Kiti Siri Sadhama Charya, Sasana Wangsa Langkara, Sasana Sobhana Pawacana Visarada, Sadhama Kiti Siri Nyana Sangwara, Siri Sugata Sasana Langkara, Kitidhara Gana Pamukha Charya, Sila Sarupa Sobita, Visa Kitidhara, Pra Panyawara Bharana, Panyawaro Mahathera, Dr. Honoris Causa. Chief Executive Board, Sangha Nayaka, Sasana Sobhana Siri Sadhama Visarada, Subapanyo Mahathera, Sarjana Hukum, Magister Management. Certificate Dharma Honorary Degree, Sangha Theravada Indonesia, continuing the Sangha founded by Sama Sambuddha Gautama 2612 years ago on Asalha full moon, confers the Dharma Honorary Degree Vara Visutanyana Atula Sundara Nayaka Pawacana Tilaka Aga Nujasasana Siri Tipitaka Medhi upon Most Venerable Professor Kota Pitiye Rahula Anunayaka Mahathera, Senior Deputy Prelate of Kote Sri Kalyani Samagri Dharma Maha Sangha, Chief Incumbent of Bodhi Raja Maha Viharaya, Talpitiya Waduwa, Sri Lanka, in recognition of outstanding contribution to the development of Buddha Sasana in Indonesia. In acknowledgement of this merit, the recipient is hereby entitled to use the honorific title and receive respect. Most Venerable Professor Vara Visutanyana Atula Sundaranayaka Pawacana Tilaka Aga Nujasasana Siri Tipitaka Medhi, Kota Pitiye Rahula Anunayaka Mahathera. The Dharma honorary degree is bestowed pursuant of the Sangha Karaka Sabha, Sangha Executive Board of Sangha Theravada Indonesia, number 01/Rapim, Roman numeral 3/Roman numeral 11/2024, dated November 23, 2024. Jakarta, March 16, 2025. 2568 Buddhist era. Head of Sangha, Sangha Pamuka, Dhamma Kiti Siri Sadhama Charya, Sasana Wangsa Langkara, Sasana Sobana Pawacana Visarada, Sadhama Kiti Siri Nyana Sangwara, Siri Sugata Sasana Langkara, Kiti Dhara Gana Pamukha Charya, Sila Sarupa Sobhita Visa Kiti Dhara, Pra Panyawara Bharana, Panyawaro Mahathera, Dr. Honoris Causa. Chief Executive Board, Sanghanayaka, Sasana Sobana Siri Sadhama Visarada, Subapanyo Mahathera, Sarjana Hukum, Magister Management. Thank you.
Sangganayaka, Ketua Umum Sangga Theravada Indonesia, Yang Mulia Bante Sri Subapanyo Mahatera, mempersembahkan Ticiwara. Pertama, kepada Yang Mulia Bante Profesor Kota Pitie, Rahula Anunayaka Mahatera. Kedua, kepada Yang Mulia Bante Prakru Sangga Sitikon, Erik Alan Faris Siribato Mahatera. Sangganayaka, Chief Executive of the Sangga Theravada Indonesia, Venerable Sri Subapanyo Mahatera, present the Ticiwara. First, to Most Venerable Bante, Profesor Kota Pitie, Rahula Anunayaka Mahatera. Second, to Most Venerable Bante, Prakru Sangga Sitikon, Erik Alan Faris Siribato Mahatera. Pembimbing Masyarakat Buddha pada Kantor Kementerian Agama Jawa Tengah, Bapak Karbono SAG MPDB, mempersembahkan mangkuk kepada kedua Yang Mulia Bante, penerima gelar kehormatan Dhamma. The Guidance Officer of Buddhist Community, Ministry of Religious Affairs Office, Central Java Province, Mr. Karbono SAG MPDB, presents a bowl to the two Venerable Bantes, recipients of the Dhamma Honorary Degree. Kepala Wihara Tanah Putih, Yang Mulia Bante Catamano Mahatera, mempersembahkan Buddha Rupang kepada kedua Yang Mulia Bante, penerima gelar kehormatan Dhamma. The Abbot of Tanah Putih Vihara, Venerable Catamano Mahatera, presents a Buddha statue to the two Venerable Bantes, recipients of the Dhamma Honorary Degree. Most Venerable Professor Anunayaka Mahatera will present puja to Most Venerable Sangha Pamokha Mahatera. Most Venerable Prakru Mahatera will present puja to Most Venerable Sangha Pamokha Mahatera.
we invite Most Venerable Professor Wara Wisuta Nyana Atula Sundara Nayaka Pawacana Tilaka Aka Nunjasa Sena Sirik Tipitaka Medi Kota Piti Rahula Anunayaka Mahathero to deliver a speech.
Most Venerable Mahasangha, especially Most Venerable Panyavaru Mahanayaka Mahathera, executive members of Sangha Theravada Indonesia. Especially, I would like to mention here Most Venerable receiving honorary title from this Sangha Council from Thailand. Other monks, distinguished invitees, dear devotees, and dear friends in Dhamma. First of all, I should be thankful to Most Venerable Panyavaru Mahanayaka Mahathera for inviting me to join this honorable event. This will become a lifetime memory in my life. I have invited to Most Venerable Panyavaru Mahanayaka Mahathera to get an Upadhyaya position of the Supreme Sangha Council of Kotte in Sri Lanka. But Most Venerable didn't come yet to accept it until now. I don't know the reason for that. Are you reject us or what? I don't know. Before that, he has got a step to confer an honorary degree upon me from the Sangha Council of Sangha Theravada Indonesia. I am grateful to all the executive members of the Sangha Theravada Indonesia, including Mahanayaka Mahathera, who has been spiritual friends, Kalyana Mitta, in my life for this remarkable organization. Sukha Sanghassa Samagi, which means happy is the harmony among Sangha. The Buddha always appreciated the unity of community of Sangha. When a dispute between Dhammadhara and Vinayadhara monks arose during the Buddha's time, he tried his best to solve it. As it was failure to foster unity between them, the Buddha decided to leave them. This unity leads to discomfort and mental stress. There is no capable of achieving spiritual advancements in such a place. That is why the Buddha was disgusted at the way they behave. With this, I believe that this is an occasion which promotes the unity of Sri Lankan, Indonesian, and Thai monks. Even though we belong to various traditions, we are the disciples of the same Buddha who are working for the same purpose of attaining enlightenment. For that, in fact, the Patimokkha is the constitution of monks. We are governed by it. The virtue of Patimokkha, restraint, means a code of disciplinary rules consisting of 227 precepts promulgated by the Buddha in some cases. The Subha Sutta of Digha Nikaya records the true expectation of Patimokkha. Patimokkha Sangvara Sangyuto Viharati Achara Gochara Sampanno Anumattesu Vajjesu Bhayadasavi. It means keeping behavior and conduct very accurately, firing, perceiving danger even in the smallest offense, and training himself in the disciplinary rules which are assigned. Restraining sense faculties, purifying our livelihood, and concerning the true purpose of requisites, we should work diligently. That will lead us to get the ultimate result of bhikkhuhood. Eventually, to highlight the core idea of above-mentioned facts, I would like to remain the consent achieved of the Buddha upon monks. I am very happy, very happy in this event, because in Sri Lanka, my belong Sangha Sabha, also the beginning of the Sangha Sabha, we are repeating this, we are chanting these 3 verses. Today, beginning of the ceremony here, you have chant here already. I am very happy about that. Khanti paramang tapoti tikha Nibbanang paramang wadanti buddha. Nahi pabbajito parupagahati samanu hoti parang viheti antu. I would like to mention you. I don't mind to explain about these 3 verses, but I would like to remain these 3 verses. The best moral practice is patience and forbearance. Nibbana is the supreme. A bhikkhu does not harm others. One who harms others, he is not a true bhikkhu. Sabbapa passa akaranang kusalassa upasampada sacitta pariyodapanang etang buddhana sasanang. Not to do any evil, to cultivate wholesome, to purify the mind. This is the advice of the all Buddhas. Anupavado, anupagato as this, not to revival, not to do any harm, to practice restraint according to the code of disciplinary rules for the bhikkhus, to be moderate in taking food, to dwell in the secluded place, to devote oneself to higher consideration. This is the teaching of the Buddha. I consider Indonesian monks as our own monks. I think we are not far. We are very close as Buddhist monk. In the future also, we would like to helping Indonesian young monks for their studies. On behalf of this precious and benevolent deeds, Most Venerable Panyavaru Mahanayaka Mahathera, I wish you good health and happiness, Bhante. I wish you again and again. Bhante Panyavaru is very excellent monk. I have to say, don't worry about with me. Because Most Venerable Panyavaru Mahanayaka Mahathera is very excellent monk. Indonesia, not only Indonesia, all around the world. She is very excellent monk, very humble monk. When I know him any day, from that days, I am following him. Today also, I learned more things through the Most Venerable Panyavaru Mahanayaka Mahathera. Because he is good leader, real leader. I think he kept everything. He kept everything sharply. I am very happy, Bhante, about you. Again and again, I wish you all the blessings of the Buddha. And also, I want to be thankful Venerable Dr. Santacitto also for his excellent commitment of coordinate this event for us. I know his talent very well as he obtained his PhD from Sri Lanka, Postgraduate Institute of Pali and Buddhist Studies, belongs to Kelaniya University. He is like a gem to the Sasana. He is well educated and capable of doing a great service to Indonesia and whole world by using his knowledge. I'm sorry I couldn't mention some names here, but I think Venerable Dhammadiro, Most Venerable Dhammadiro and other senior monks, especially Most Venerable Sukhemo, your knowledge and your service always am appreciating in this time. I bless you and wish you good luck and succeed everything you do in the future. Thank you very much. My Kapya Dayaka, Mr. Edwin, Edwin also. He is very keen on helping me. I am so happy that he is always with me under supervision of Most Venerable Bhante Panya. I want to mention one more thing here. I consider this honorary degree conferred by Sangha Theravada Indonesia as value added my Bhikkhu life. And this is not for being proud of myself. Exalting me or condemning others. This honorary degree will be utilized only for the development of more spiritual qualities in my bhikkhuhood. Finally, I bless you, most respectable Panyavaru Mahathera, the executive members of Sangha Theravada Indonesia, and all monks, devotees, and gathering. May all your hopes and aspirations come true immediately like the full moon. Thank you so much for this noble donation. I wish you the blessings of the triple gem of the Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. Terima kasih.
We invite Most Venerable Prakru Sangha Sitikon Wara Cina Sasana Pawira Eric Alan Faris Siripadu to deliver a speech. The speech can be delivered in Thai, and then Venerable Mahadhammadiro will translate the essence into Indonesia. Time is yours.
Venerable Bhante Panyavaro Mahathera Sanghapamuka Sangha Theravada Indonesia, Most Venerable Bhante Sukhemo, my Long Po, my Long Pu, my Master, Bhante, Most Venerable Bhante Supapanyo Mahathera Sanghanayaka Sangha Theravada Indonesia, Mahathera Thera Sangha Indonesia, honored guests, thank you very much for coming. Today I'm deeply honored to receive this award from Sangha Theravada Indonesia from a hand of Sangha Pamuka. I'm so proud and very happy. The Dhamma Honor degree is for recognize of my outstanding contribution to Sangha and Indonesia Buddhist community. This is one moment of my monkhood, my Bhikkhu life, that will be keep in my heart and my memory. I was warmly welcomed from Sangha Theravada Indonesia all the time when I come here, and also from the Umat Indonesia. Bhante Panya always say to me, Bhante Eric, here is your second hometown. We are family, and you can come here anytime that you want. So, after I met him since the first time 30 years ago, almost every year I came to Indonesia 1 or 2 times a year. I have been visit many vihara, many events, many ceremony, many occasion with the Sangha, with my friend. I still remember first time I came here with Bhante Sumbat, Bhante Vitun Thammaporn, now stay in Wat Thammajaga, the Thammatutta, Thailand, from Wat Bawon. He invited me to visit Borobudur and Vihara Thammajaga in Jakarta. At that time, I was so excited. And he told me a lot about relationship between Sangha Theravada Indonesia and Wat Bawon Nivet Vihan. Also my Upacha, same Upachaya of a senior monk, Bhante Panyavaro, Bhante Sukhemo, Somdet Payana Sangwara, the former Sangharaja in Thailand, who trying to revive the Buddhism, starting again Theravada Buddhism in Indonesia. He came here many times, also this temple for Bapacha Samanera and Upasampada Bhikkhu at the Borobudur. I still remember when I asked Somdet Sangharaja for give permission to allow me to come to Indonesia. He said, yes, you can go to Indonesia. We should go to support and help Buddhist community Indonesia as much as you can. This is Sangharaja told me. So my purpose to come here, that's just for support and encourage Sangha and Umat Buddha, whatever they need my helping, and I can do it. I so happy met every time to come to Indonesia. With respect, Sangha, thank you again for Sangha Theravada Indonesia. Thank you, my master, Bhante Panyavaro, for metta saya every time since the first time I came here until now. Thank you, Bhante Supapanyo and Sangha to help this ceremony to give the Dhamma certificate honorary degree. Thank you, Bhante Dhammathiro, my best friend, give me a chance to help the Sangha Theravada Indonesia and many his project. Also, thank you for Pak Gusman for support transportation for our group. And the last one, I would like to say thank you for Masikit who is my best friend, who support me to come Indonesia when he is still alive. May power of the Triple Gem please protect Sangha Theravada Indonesia for growing up and strong like a Candi Borobudur. Semoga berbahagia, selamat sukses, Sangha Theravada Indonesia, Soti Hontu Nirantarang. Terima kasih banyak. Satu.
Satu. Kami mengundang Bapak Karbono untuk menyampaikan ucapan selamat kepada kedua Yang Mulia Bante yang telah menerima gelar kehormatan Dhamma. Mr. Karbono will convey his greeting speech to two most venerable recipients of Dhamma honorary degree. Your times. Cek, cek. Cek, cek, cek. Udah. Tes, baik. Yang sangat saya muliakan, Sangha Pamuka Sangha Theravada Indonesia, Yang Mulia Bante Sri Panyawaro Mahathera. Yang saya muliakan, Yang Mulia Bante Profesor Rahula Mahathera dari Sri Lanka, yang belum ya? Udah belum? Izin saya ulang. Yang sangat saya muliakan, Sangha Pamuka Sangha Theravada Indonesia, Yang Mulia Bante Sri Panyawaro Mahathera. Yang saya muliakan, Yang Mulia Bante Profesor Rahula Mahathera dari Sri Lanka. Yang saya muliakan, Yang Mulia Bante Prakru Erik Mahathera dari Thailand. Yang Mulia Bhikkhu Sangha yang tidak bisa saya sebut satu persatu, yang kami hormati para tokoh agama, para hadirin yang hadir pada kesempatan hari ini, selamat pagi, Namo Buddhaya. Udah, ini bisa. Puja dan puji syukur marilah kita panjatkan kehadirat Tuhan Yang Maha Kuasa, Sang Triratna, Buddha, Dhamma dan Sangha, serta karma-karma baik kita semuanya, sehingga pada kesempatan pagi hari ini kita bisa bersama-sama berkumpul dalam acara penyerahan gelar kehormatan Dhamma. Ibu Bapak yang saya hormati, saya Pembimas Buddha Kanwil Kementerian Agama Provinsi Jawa Tengah, atas nama Pemerintah Republik Indonesia mengucapkan selamat atas diterimanya gelar kehormatan Dhamma dari Sangha Theravada Indonesia kepada Yang Mulia Bante Profesor Rahula Mahathera dari Sri Lanka dan Yang Mulia Bante Prakru Erik Mahathera dari Thailand. Semoga gelar kehormatan Dhamma yang diberikan oleh Sangha Theravada Indonesia dapat mempererat hubungan bilateral antara negara Indonesia dengan negara Thailand maupun dengan Sri Lanka. Utamanya adalah hubungan kerjasama keagamaan Buddha, sehingga dapat membawa kedamaian dan membawa kesejahteraan serta perkembangan umat Buddha di Indonesia, di Thailand maupun di Sri Lanka. Ibu Bapak yang saya hormati, saya rasa itu yang bisa saya sampaikan. Semoga acara ini bisa membawa manfaat bagi kita semua, dan mohon maaf apabila ada tutur kata saya yang kurang berkenan. Saya akhiri, selamat pagi, Namo Buddhaya.
Yata wariwaha pura paripurenti sagarang ewa mewa ito dinang petanang upakapati icitang patitang tumhang kipamewa sami jatu sape purentu sangkapai candu panaraso yata mani joti raso yatha viwajan dosa paroko vina satu mate bawa wantarayo suki deka adiwa tanasile Sani Changwe Tata Chayino Pramawatan Deha Yuhwano Sukang Palang De Ataladan Sukita Luruha Buddha Sasani Aroga sukita otasa sapinya tipi teatalada sukita urulha buddha sasani aroga sukita otasa sapinya tipi teatalada sukita urulha sasani aroga sukita otasa sapinya tipi bawatu sapamangga ngerakan dosa padewata ambutanu bawena sandasoti pawantu te sapamanggalang ngerakan dosa padewata Papatamanu bawena sandasoti pawantu te bawatu sapa manggal ngerakantu sapa dewata sapa sangkanu bawena sadasoti pawantu te. Arahang sama sambuddho bhagawan Buddhang bhagawan tangapiwadini Swakatuam bhagavata Lamang namasami Supati panuwun bhagavato sawaka sanggo Sanggang namani
Yang mulia Biku Sangga meninggalkan Dhammasala.
Demi Buddha Guru umpam babar dharma demi dharma aku ngoring sangga demi sangga dewa suci samana ayu pecah kau sang Buddha ayu pecah sang dharma ayo pecah
Berikutnya diberikan kesempatan kepada keluarga Buddhis Theravada Indonesia, Maga Budi, Wandani, Patria,